sauce. There's pretty cash. Freshly baked pound cake. Did someone say road trip? Josh and his Paw Patrol throw.
I'm Chase.
Chase, you're Chase. Hi, Chase. Due to us leaving out of town for vacation, we decided to celebrate Easter on Saturday. Word to the wise, don't wear whatever you're going to wear out while you do your makeup. So now I have to change because makeup spilled all over my shirt. Getting ready to go down for Easter dinner, but alright, let me get changed out because the family is here. I made it downstairs, guys. Family is here. Let me let you guys check out the spread. So I'm starting with cornbread already cut up, cranberry sauce. There's pretty cash, freshly baked pound cake. Yes, my mom baked it. She just buys these from the farmer's market and put them in there. Black-eyed peas, yellow rice, stuffing, collard greens,
Said it don't get hot?
and mac and cheese. Oh, God.
Turkey wings, oxtail.
Oxtail is there. Turkey wings are here. Oh, look at that.
Ooh, those are good.
Happy Easter to everyone. Yes. So we have people over there. I think the bread was in here. So we are dining in. I don't even know what to call it. The place you don't touch. But yeah, everything is good to go. Josh, the boss said, look, we had to equip his seat with towels. Because as you can see, these are very light. The family said, you better make sure that camera's not recording our conversation. Dinner is over. Everyone has gone home, and I'm cleaning up. Kitchen is all clean. Everybody's gone home, and I'm going up to bed.
Me too.
All right. Good night. Hit the light, Jack.
I'm not Jack.
Good night. Amazon is here. You gonna get it? You see it? Yes. Okay.
Amazon from the airship.
You said Amazon again.
A new Amazon. It's a new Amazon cake.
Yeah, let me see. It's probably stuff for a trip.
No, it's probably stuff for me.
I'll get this open up. I'm about to make me a cup of coffee. Ooh, y'all, look at the only thing left from the pound cake. We're going to take some on the road. This is homemade. See that plate? Yes, honey. It was so good. All right, let me make my coffee and
Open it, Mommy.
I'll open it, Joshua.
No, can I open it?
No.
Aw, that's not nice. Mommy, and then I thought it was just saying Amazon, but it's a new Amazon.
I'll be back, guys. My other tripod came. That was in one of the packages, so I could take it with me to Florida. And that's the kind it is. It's for my camera, so that I can wrap it around stuff and just get some better shots. I'm all about just investing into stuff that I need. And then this allows me to also use it for my phone. So I could get away with, calm down. I could get away with just taking this one along. But this one doesn't stand tall. And I know we're going to want some different shots. But look how it is. Very sturdy. We're holding it this way. And then you can, you know, bend it to wrap it. See that? Around stuff. And it will hold the weight of the camera up. And this is some hair that I'm taking because we're going to be in water. So, yep, those were the packages. We're going to go ahead and throw this stuff out and make us some coffee. Guys, we went to go get some of my like pool shoes from the back, and it's so nice. So I'm gonna go outside and set this up, but we're gonna go outside and have our coffee today. So I'm gonna make this right quick, and then yeah, we're going in the backyard for a minute while we have a little time, because it's 6:25. So yeah, why not? Look at this. Only men do this, you know? Like, why you ain't fill that up? All right, let me get the reservoir filled up. I'm also going to be showcasing this. But yeah, you guys will see a video on that. It's for a TikTok shop. So you guys are on your new home, one of your homes. This is the one we're going to take to Florida. I was sitting here and trying to figure out what this piece was for. Why are you sitting in the days? I know it's extra for, I just don't know how to hook it up. So I'll see. Yeah, I know I'm going to check with Ashley. But cheers, guys.
It doesn't go with
It is so nice out.
It doesn't
Really
go
nice.
with a camera.
Yeah, I know it goes with the camera, but I could put the camera on the way this is on. Just take that part off. I wish I had my other camera so I could film it and y'all could see, but y'all, I am tired and not
Can I
packed.
go on outside?
Play your heart out. The sun gonna be going down. This is gonna be good if I have something to, like, on the stand. You know how you can wrap it on stairs, a tree, that boy love being in the backyard. Y'all hear me? But this is a nice height too, because if I was doing the chat with me, you guys are kind of eye level. I have y'all kind of this way because I have stuff that I don't want on camera over there. So I'm going to call my daughter and ask her. Well, no, just I'll see her in the morning and let her figure it out. But I like it. I'm so glad I went on the order. It came in 2 days. Oh, well, like a day and a half. Hey, Josh the boss.
This is not good job on this one.
Yeah, I'm sleepy. Let me enjoy y'all nephew, because the sun is going down. guys, I am so indecisive. Which one should I take on vacation? Love this, love this, love this, love this, love this because of the hot pink. And I'm wearing mostly hot pink. Oh my God, I'm so indecisive. I'll let y'all know whenever I finally make a decision. This is why I have to get rid of bags. It should not be this hard, honestly. Yay, we have finally hit the road. Just took it, John. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Popeyes have new wings. Let's check them out. I am trying Popeyes honey lemon pepper wings. Got a little sauce. These are good. Y'all should try them.
See you next time on the road trip.
Florida, here we come.